Hey, how's it going? Alex here. And I'm telling you, if you don't have one of these ones in your patio, you're really missing out for the spring and summer season because these ones are so comfortable. This brand sent this one to me for this video. I gotta say that me and my wife have been using it for the past few days since we got it. And it's kind of like a really nice life changer, I have to say, because it is so nice to just sit in here outside on your patio, under the stars, under the sun, just having a nice and relaxing time. And by the way, two things that I'm gonna tell you. Number one, the assembly process of this one, my wife did it. I did not have anything to do with this. My wife did it by herself and it took her like 25 minutes, no more than that. And also this whole structure supports 700 pounds. So two people can sit in here perfectly. Let's check it out. So one of the first things that I want to mention is the structure. The structure is very firm, I want to say like very stable, and it also comes with, as you can see right here, comes with the rubber pads on the bottom so it won't damage your floor. Then we jump to the pillow that actually has straps right here to tie it on the back, and it has this kind of like armrest, I have to say. And again, this is going to be nice to leave it outside because nothing is going to happen with the water, with like hail or things like that, so you can leave it outside. It also comes in different colors if I'm not mistaken, but I have to say that this nice grayish one, it looks phenomenal and it's really comfy. But this is one of the most important pieces of this chair because most of these chairs comes with just one hanging chain, and this one having two will get the weight, like even weight if two people are sitting in here or one person is sitting in the middle. So this one will actually keep it more balanced and without a like, you know, when you have one, it's kind of like always going back and forth, back and forth. With this one, you'll swing perfectly, and having two of this one with this big springs on the top will actually hold those 700 pounds. But again, as I was saying before, the fact that this is so big and supports so much weight that two people can fit in here to watch a movie at night, just like, I'm saying like this one is outdoors, but can also be set up like in a living room, you know, indoors also as well. But I have to say that this is phenomenal. It looks really good. It's also super comfortable. The assembly process is really easy as well. And I have to say that if you have this ones in your patio, yeah, this is the season, spring, summer season, having one of this, it's gonna be a win already. I like it and I totally recommend it.